requested video from all of you on how to remove tarnish or stains from Hermes Palladium hardware. If you guys have been following, I have just purchased this brand new Lindy in Blue Paradise, which you can catch in this video. I will put the link up here and down in the description box below. Of course, when I come across a beautiful Hermes bag in the right specifications, I won't be deterred just by the temporary conditions of the hardware because it can be easily fixed, and in this video, I will show you how I do it. Just a disclaimer, I am not an expert, however, I have special interest in leathers, hardware, especially for Hermes, so this will be a sharing video for all of you. My name is Lokie and I thank you for coming down today to supporting, especially for those of you new here. Do consider to subscribe to my channel if you enjoy luxury content. I love talking about Hermes bags and leathers, pre-loved and luxury content. So if you're into this, do hit that bell to get regular updates whenever I upload new videos. Okay, let's get into it. So today I will be showing you how I remove the tarnish or stains on my Palladium hardware of my Hermes Lindy in just 2 minutes. Because the area is small and I do not want unnecessary product on the leather, I will be using Q-tips with a nice pointed edge. And of course, I will be using this xoxo metal polish, which is a product from Germany. I will try to get the camera up close so you get to see how I do the cleaning. But first, let's take a look at the hardware in detail. And of course, we will remove the stickers together. Well, I am filming by the window, so do pardon all that extra noise from outside, especially the birds chirping. So this is the hardware with the stickers on, and you can see there is tarnish or the green tarnish where the rivets are just under the sticker here. So let's remove the sticker to see how the condition is like. Are you ready? I hope it's quite clear. Let's see. Oh my god, it's exciting. Can you see that? Somehow I'm not sure why is there a fingerprint on there, but yeah. So you can see there's still tarnish going on. Okay, let's stick that there. There's still tarnish going on here and there, so we will polish that for you. Alright. Alright, so let's start the cleaning process. In my case, I would do a spot test on a hidden hardware, and for me, I have chosen this spot to have done the spot test, which is on the back, and it turned out to be successful, which is why I have decided to share this video with all of you and do it for you on the hardware in front. So we've just removed the stickers and you can see the condition of the hardware here, so we'll give that a quick polish and see how that goes. Next is we also need to know that a small amount of product goes a long way. So this is the product that I will be using. It is made in Germany, and this is the one. If you guys just want to have a look at it for reference, so that's what we will be using. Alright. Now, first and foremost, this is how the product looks like. It's a white creamy substance, which I'm just gonna take like just a bit of it. So there you go. As I have already mentioned, a little product goes a long way. Oh my god, it's not focusing. Let's have a look. So I'm not using much. There you go. That's not a lot of product. And so I'm just going to be doing the cleaning and see how it goes. Alright. would definitely not get it on the leather. Just be very careful about that. You can see what came out from that. Okay, and next here. I'm not sure how come it gets so dirty, like I'm just gonna switch out the Q-tip for a new one. So just cleaning it in a circular motion. Please do pardon all that noise outside. Okay. Actually quite clean, isn't it? I hope I got most of the polish in good view. I do apologize if it blurs out. I mean, if it's not focusing well. But you get the drift. Right, now it's really shiny. It's amazing, isn't it? Okay. It's quite clear. Alright, looks like we're done. That's how it looks on the side view. Very clean. Alright. And of course, this is not done yet, and I have just done this part. Looks perfect. Alright guys, so I've done all three. Let me show you how it looks. Wow. The other one as well. And the last one here with the turn lock. Very clear, isn't it? So like, it's all gone. So that was really quick, very easy to fix. Amazing, as good as new. What do you think? Well, that was all too satisfying. I hope you enjoyed this quick video on how I remove tarnish or stains on Palladium hardware. Now I am super happy with the end result. Much as the stickers do protect the hardware, sometimes it traps moisture under certain areas, leaving the hardware to tarnish if it is left long on for too long. So I will be chucking away the stickers and using the bag as it is. I thank you once again for coming and supporting, and I hope this video will help some of you if you are stuck in a similar situation as myself. As you know, Hermes does not polish or restore the metal hardware at their after-sales bag spa, but they do replace it if needed. So if your hardware is in dire need of restoration, it is probably worth getting a replacement or getting a hardware specialist to look at it. Have a lovely weekend everyone, take care and goodbye ladies.